Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time watching, please subscribe to the family. Stay, don't go. So I'd like to say thank you so much for my return subscriber. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys coming back. Thank you for coming back and watching me and supporting me. So today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of tips on a couple of Drunk Elephant's product. I know you guys seen them on this channel before because I am a huge fan of Drunk Elephant, and there is no one product from them that I tried and I was displeased or didn't like it at all. No one yet. So far, all the serums, all the creams, all the sunscreen, facial wash, retinol cream, everything I tried from them so far, it worked for my skin. It's actually whatever they promise you the product was for, it works. So I adore them and they are present on my everyday skincare routine all the time. I can guarantee you that. So okay, I already talked so much, so let's talk about this little set here. Get Even Skin, and definitely all of the pieces in this little kit I have on my everyday routine. I can show you guys another day if you guys want. I can show you guys my I have a video of favorite skincare stuff, but I have a whole bunch of new stuff special from them too that I am using. So but I'm gonna use this little, you can get this little kit like as a gift for a friend, or you can buy it for yourself. You know, it's a nice little starter kit, and I'm gonna show you guys. So you have here this 2 serum, 1 retinol cream, and this protein night or day facial moisturizer with protein. And here you have this tinted sunscreen or moisturizer, how you wanna call. So let's start with the first one in the order here. That's the pink one, and I adore this product. This one is the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum from Drunk Elephant, and this one have 12% of AHA BHA blend and raspberry extract. This is a really nice glycolic serum for your skin. These help to brighten your skin and get rid of uneven skin tone and the little dark spots, sunspot. This is fabulous, and also get rid of fine lines, which we need, right girls? And it's fabulous. Your skin looks so luminous and so flawless next day after using this. And you can use this before you use this, or you can mix them up and apply all over. Girl, you do the way you like it. You know, some people like to layer the product with Drunk Elephant. What I love about the beauty oil that I love and the serum is that you actually can mix them up and just apply all in once, which sometimes I do. Sometimes I mix the both of them and apply it at night. And so this one I would definitely recommend you for use at night time for have beautiful skin, because since you know it's for brightening skin, so if you don't want to like use in the day, because you know sometimes we forget to put sunscreen on, or you know, so better use this one at night. But this one here you can use it today. And this one here too, I adore this serum. Adore. I use this every day. I'm like addicted to it. This with the C Firma Day Serum, and this one has 15% of L-ascorbic acid and pumpkin fermented extract, which is fabulous for your skin. Fabulous. I love this C Firma serum so much. It also is great for brightening skin tone. This one has vitamin C and a powerful antioxidant complex for brighter and firmer skin and more even skin complexion. I adore this. I have one skin tone. I don't know, my skin sometimes is just uneven, and especially around my mouth I get like weird discoloration, or if I get any pimple, anything, girl, that's a black spot right there, and I suffered that. So I need something to even out my skin tone, brighten and make my skin looking huge and fabulous. And this C Firm I've been using every day, and does wonder. After I started using, I can tell you that a couple of weeks after I started using, I could see the improvement on my skin texture, and even it was fabulous. And one of my favorite go-to is this one here. This one is the A Passione. Is a retinol cream. It's really good for you use morning or evening. I like to apply this in the evening, you know, so I just apply a lover under my moisturizer, and then, you know, apply my moisturizer on the top, and you can just go to sleep and relax, and you wake up in the morning looking better. This is great for fine lines, and great also for brightening your skin and get rid of you know, dead skin. It's really good. It's almost, you just need like a little pea size on a clean face and avoid your eye area, and should do the job. And this one they recommend for you use once a week in the beginning, so your skin get used to, because in the first time that you use, you can feel like a little tingling sensation. It's the retinol working actually. So after the first week with using once a week, what I did, I increased for twice a week. And you can, as you go, as your skin, you know, get a little more used to, you can use every other day. And you know, you go as you need, you go updating. But I love this product too, and I have on my, you know, I use a couple of times a week. And one of my favorite too is the Protein Peptide cream. I love this cream so much, so much. I use this cream every day, and I'm telling you guys, I see my skin firmness change after start a couple of months of using this. Literally, what it took me, I think, a couple of months using every day religiously. You know, I'm very good with my skincare routine. I do morning, evening, and if I'm home, even in the middle of the day, if I feel like, you know, my skin needs a little recharge, just go there and clean with warm water and just reapply whatever I'm using. And this cream is amazing. It's every time that you use this, it's like you're giving your skin a shot of protein, like you drink on your protein shake before you go to the gym, so you can have energy, feel great. This makes your skin looks great. It helps to improve the texture of your skin, the elasticity. And my skin, I tell you that I saw it. I felt like my skin was tighter, like, you know, not like sad. Yeah, so I love this one. This is one that are on my skincare routine too. And the next one here, last but not least, because they're all fabulous product, this one is the Umbra Tint. Is a physical daily defense, a broad spectrum sunscreen 30, and this one have 20% of zinc. Twist the cap. One thing I love about the Drunk Elephant too is how the bottle of the product is so easy to use, and I like the way it closes. Just twist, close. Now it's closed, and what I like is it seals the product in, you know, it's not the screw ones. And this one is like a tinted sunscreen. Normally my face is lighter than my hand, so just for you guys have an idea, you know. I like to use these in the morning when I'm going to the gym, but I don't like to wear makeup for the gym because I like to sweat. If I go to the gym, before starting my regular workout section, I have to have a cardio section, and if I don't sweat, I'm not happy. I feel like I don't know, my workout didn't count the day. It's me, I'm crazy, okay? It's things off my head, but that's me. So that's the reason why I don't like to wear any type of makeup. If my eyebrow, it's very I would say 10, you know, with the years, just pluck them out. Girl, I almost don't have any, but still the little bit that I have, that's the one that I use to the gym. I do not fill in my brows, because I don't know, I'm just paranoid that when I start sweat, it's gonna start melting away and I'm gonna look like a clown, look on it. So not even my brow, do nothing. The only thing that I do in the morning is I wash my face, I put some serum, I moisturize, and then I apply some tinted sunscreen, and that's it. I save them, and when I travel, girl, my skincare in a bag if I'm just going for a week. If I go for a week, they should be good for me. So I like to take the little ones if I'm going for a short period. If I'm going overnight anywhere, I have to take all my skincare stuff because they are essentials. So yeah, so that's all for this video. I will link the link below for this little kit. If I think they are still having the Drunk Fund website. I will link the link for them. And if you have any question, please drop in the comment below, and I see you guys next video. Love you, thanks for watching, bye.